Hi students, now the question is find the Fourier series of f of x is equal to pi minus x whole square by 5 in the interval 0, 2 pi. So before we are going to solve this question, we should remember one formula, that is integral uv dx is equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 u triple dash v4 plus fourth derivative of u into v5 minus and so on. So let us take the expansion of this one. How to remember this formula means, so u and v are the functions of x, so I can multiply u v1. So here u is a function of x and v1 is the integral value of v dx, and u dash v2, this is the second term of the formula, so this is the positive term, then negative, then third term is positive with the combination of u double dash v3 u triple dash v4 with minus and u fourth derivative of u and with the combination of v5 is this one. So here u dash is nothing but derivative of u double dash is derivative of u dash, u triple dash is derivative of u double dash, fourth derivative of u is the derivative of third derivative of u. So v1 is integral v dx, v2 is integral v1 dx. So v1 is this one, v2 this one, v3 is integral v2 dx, v4 is integral v3 dx, v5 is integral v4 dx. So continue this one until u should be 0. So you should remember this formula. Now we are going to take our formula or problem given solution. Given f of x is equal to pi minus x whole square by 4. The Fourier series for this function a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx, which is called equation number 1. So this is called Fourier series for the function f of x is equal to minus pi minus x whole to the power of 2 by 4. So here unknown values are a0, an, bn. Now we are going to find a0, an, bn value. Then finally we can substitute a0, an, bn values in this equation number 1. That is the final answer. So therefore a0 value. So formula is 1 by pi into integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. So what is the unknown value here? F of x, 1 by pi into integral 0 to 2 pi f of x is pi minus x whole square by 4 into dx. So I can write 1 by 4 pi integral 0 to 2 pi minus x whole square dx. Now integrate this one, it is in the form of x square. So x cube by 3. So 1 by 4 pi into pi minus x whole to the power of 3 by 3 into derivative of this one is minus 1. 0 to 2 pi. So the simplification is 1 by 4 pi into first limit minus is there, pi minus 2 pi whole to the power of 3 by 3, and second limit minus of minus plus pi minus 0 whole to the power of 3 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi into, so this is minus pi whole to the power of 3 by 3, minus is there already, plus pi cube by 3. Then simplify this one, 1 by 4 pi into 1 by 4 pi into, so this is minus into minus pi cube by 3 plus pi cube by 3. So I think minus into minus plus both are same terms. So the simplified one is 1 by 4 pi into 2 pi cube by 3. So 2 ones to 2 twos. So finally pi gets cancelled, remaining pi square by 2 into 3 6. Therefore a naught is equal to pi square by 6. Keep it as it is, a naught value. Now I am going to find an value. What is the formula for an? 1 by pi into integral 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. Let us substitute 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi. F of x is pi minus x whole square by 4 cos nx dx. So let us take this one, 1 by 4 pi into integral 0 to 2 pi minus x whole square into cos nx dx. Pi minus x square into cos nx dx. So I can imagine this is u, this is v. So according to this formula, I can write this one. U is equal to pi minus x square, sorry, pi minus x whole square. V is equal to cos nx. And u dash is equal to derivative of this one, minus 2 into pi minus x. This is the derivative. V1 is equal to integral of this one, sin nx by n. This is the integration. Next u double dash. So derivative of this one, minus 2 into pi minus x derivative. So this is minus 2 into pi minus x derivative is minus 1, that is equal to 2. V2 is equal to minus cos nx by n square. And u triple dash is equal to 0. No need to find V3. So sorry, V3 is derivative of this one, minus sin nx by n cube. No need to find V4 actually. So this is the combination, u v1, u dash v2, u double dash v3. So the combination of u triple dash is v4. No need to calculate because it is multiplying by v4. Now simplification, which is equal to u v1 1 by 4 pi into pi minus x whole square into v1 is sin nx by n minus u dash v2. So that is minus into minus plus 2 into pi minus x minus cos nx by n square, u double dash into v3, u double dash into v3, that is plus 2 into minus sin nx by n cube, 0 to 2 pi. So which is equal to, I think first limit sin terms will be 0 with the both limits, because sin 0 0, I can write formulas here. Since sin 2n pi or sin 0 is 0, cos 2n pi comma cos 0 is 1. I can replace these two formulas. So 1 by 4 pi into, so I can remove sin terms, because sin 2n pi first limit, sin 0 second limit, both the values are zeros. That then I neglect sin terms. So only I have taken cos 2 into pi minus 2 pi first limit minus cos 2n pi by n square minus of second limit 2 into pi minus 0 minus cos 0 by n square. This is second limit. Only I am taking cos term. These two terms are vanished. That means 0. So now the simplification is 1 by 4 pi into pi minus 2 pi minus pi, minus into minus plus. This is 1. This is 1. So this final is 2 pi by n square simplified. And this is minus into minus plus. This is also 2 pi by n square. So 1 by 4 pi into 4 pi by n square. 4 pi gets cancelled. The answer is 1 by n square. Therefore, an is equal to 1 by n square. So already we are getting a naught pi square by 6, an 1 by n square, 1 by n square. Now we are going to find bn. So the bn formula is 1 by pi into integral 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Let us consider 1 by pi into integral 0 to 2 pi f of x is pi minus x whole square by 4 sin nx dx. So which can be written as 1 by 4 pi into integral 0 to 2 pi pi minus x whole square sin nx dx. So again I can take, this is u, this is v. U is equal to pi minus x whole square and v is equal to sin nx dx. Sin nx, sorry. U dash is equal to, I think derivation is not changed, minus 2 into pi minus x. U double dash is equal to plus 2. U triple dash is equal to 0. And v1 is equal to integral of sin nx minus cos nx by n. v2 integration of this one minus sin nx by n square. And v3 again will come minus, integration of sin x is minus cos, already minus is there, cos nx by n cube, again will come n, so already n square is there. So then simplification, u v1, this is plus u dash v2 minus u double dash v3 plus, I think u triple dash into v4, no need to calculate v4. Then according to this one, so I can multiply 1 by 4 pi is there, 1 by 4 pi pi minus x whole square into minus cos nx by n, this is first term, minus second term u dash v2 minus into minus plus 2 into pi minus x minus sin nx by n square. And third term 2 into cos nx by n cube, 0 to 2 pi. So here also we can neglect the sign terms because so already we have formula, that is I have given formula, this one sin 2n pi sin 0 is 0, cos 2n pi cos 0 is 1. So same formula we can apply here also. So that means only I am taking cos terms. I can taking these two terms, remaining are zeros. So that is 1 by 4 pi into first term pi minus 2 pi whole square minus cos 2n pi by n plus 2 into cos 2n pi by n cube minus of second limit minus of pi minus 0 whole square minus cos 0 by n plus 2 into cos 0 by n cube. Simplify this one, 1 by 4 pi into, this is minus cos 2n pi by n. This is 1. This is also 1. Cos 0 1. Here also cos 0 1. So I think this is pi square by n plus 2 by n cube. This one. This is minus is there. So minus cos 0. So this is also pi square by, I think this is minus. This is minus. This is plus pi square by n. Actually here minus is there. Then this is last one, minus 2 by n cube. So minus 2 by n cube plus 2 by n cube minus pi square by n plus pi square by n, both the cancel. So 1 by 4 pi into 0. This is totally 0. Therefore Bn should be 0. Then conclusion, substituting A0, An and Bn values in equation number 1, we get, what is the equation number 1 here? This is the equation number 1. So therefore f of x is equal to, pi minus x whole square by 4 is equal to A0 by 2. What is the A0 value? Pi square by 6. Pi square by 6 by 2, that means pi square by 12. Summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an. An value is 1 by n square. 1 by n square into cos nx plus bn should be 0 to sin nx. Therefore the simplified answer is pi minus x whole square by 4 is equal to pi square by 12 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square into cos nx. This is the Fourier series for the given function f of x. Thank you.